then, hobbyists. In this video, we have two of our character lunchboxes, the Dracula Lunchbox and the Tactical Lunchbox. Truth is that soon both of these will be getting a redesign of sorts. Both of these projects are dependent on the weather. On that subject, sometimes when we go on expeditions to get footage, things do not always go to plan. Nothing's so far like the Donner Party leading to cannibalism and death, and contrary to belief, not where the Doner kebab got its name from, but on occasion when we go out, things are definitely against us. This time, it was our old foe, the rain. Over Christmas, we had Storm Henk. I am not sure who names these storms, but I have never known anyone called Henk. Some of the names that they come up with for these storms are just plain embarrassing. Like a few years ago when Storm Dennis hit us and flooding occurred again. With all these floods, maybe we need boats instead of RC cars for our pastime. Anyway, the rain lashed against the chief engineer's van and even started to remove that weird green fungus that grows on the roof. We did think that we would have to write the day's filming off and go and sit in a pub, one with a real fire and weird locals that would turn to face the door every time it opens. Luckily though, we remembered the old freezer factory that we visited a couple of years ago, and to our surprise, it was still as desolate as we left it. So what better to do on a wet morning, hoping rain would move on, but drive our lunchboxes around. Yes, it was dark and gloomy, having a Fritzl's Dungeon vibe, but you have to make the best out of these situations. Anyway, let's see how these highly upgraded, modded lunchboxes keep us occupied in the gloom. Of course it wasn't going to go completely to plan. So you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.